Hi everyone, Jacob Howard here, and welcome to this video where we are going to talk about using global positioning systems, or GPS, on your drones. GPS is a network of around 24 satellites, several more if you go international, that circle the Earth twice a day. Each satellite transmits a unique radio signal and orbital parameters that allow GPS receivers to decode and compute the precise location of the satellite. GPS receivers then use this information and something called trilateration to calculate the receiver's exact location. Trilateration is basically used like a Venn diagram. You have several spheres of signal, and where they converge allows it to find your location. GPS on a drone is a personal choice. It depends really on how far you're flying or if you want the features it provides. Pilots that enjoy flying in parks or close range areas don't really need GPS. However, if you are planning on flying longer range in mountains or hills with tall grass or trees, the GPS receiver could be a lifesaver. Set up correctly, a GPS receiver on your FPV drone will give you longitude, latitude, or a home direction arrow, which is an arrow that always points at the takeoff position, speed, altitude, and compass heading. Having these available will enable you to gauge where your drone is relative to you at all times, and even help you find your way back if you get lost while flying, such as flying in foggy or cloudy conditions. Or you can configure it to enable return to home, where when activated, it can fly your drone back to you if you lose video signal or radio signal. Also, if your goggles or controller are tracking the GPS, then in the case of a crash, you can look back at the recorded locations to help you find your drone. There are a few different types of GPS receivers you can use on your drone. The basic type gives you the normal GPS information in your on-screen display. The next type will have an extra magnetometer compass built in. This will give you all the normal GPS information along with a digital compass for more accurate heading readings. There are also GPS receivers that don't integrate with your flight controller. They are a standalone unit that you attach to your frame and just record data about your flight, like speed, altitude, and distance. So whether you're flying long range or just want to know more data about your flying, a GPS receiver is a great way to learn more or help protect your drone from getting lost. We highly recommend the GPS receiver if you plan on flying any type of long distance flying. If you enjoyed this video on FPV, we actually have an entire online course developed around these same types of lessons. We're talking dozens of lessons and hours of material designed to get you started into FPV or make you a better pilot. It is the world's first online FPV course, and we have students from around the world learning through it. The link to learn more is in the comments below. And as always, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know, and have fun flying.